Now, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene, and I got something special for you. This is a special request from my nephew, Shadanoy. He's behind the camera, and I just want to welcome him to my channel. Now, guys, today I will be doing chicken and potato. And of course, let me welcome my new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you. Thanks for joining the whimsical way. You are now a part of the family. And of course, my loyal viewers and subscribers, thanks for making it week after week. Remember, subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet, and of course like up the video, leave your comment, and of course turn on your post notification. So I use my paring knife, guys, and I remove the flesh of the chicken leg, guys, from the bone. I wash it, and of course I rinse it. Then, guys, I add onto that my favorite rubs, my spices, and of course my seasoning. Guys, I add to that some blended green season. I make sure I season inside of the chicken leg, guys. I tuck it in nicely, guys, allow it to marinate. Alright, guys, so I'm using a deep Dutch pot. I am using some garlic and basil infused oil. I add that to the pot, and of course I sear my chicken legs on all sides, guys. And then you see that juice in the pot, people, we are gonna need it, because to that I'm gonna add half cup of coconut milk. I'm gonna add half cup of Alfredo sauce, 1 cup of beef stock, guys, and then, guys, I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil. Now, guys, me don't slice up my potatoes. May I use some ring onion, white onion, some bell pepper, guys. I'm gonna just layer this into the bottom of my baking pan. Now, to that, guys, I'm gonna layer on my chicken. Hey, boy, me I tell you, my nephew can't wait to dig into this. After that, guys, I add to this all the sauces from the pan, guys. I then cover this. I have already preheated my oven at 400 degrees, guys. Foil it up nice, cover it up good, guys, and allow this to bake for about 7 to 10 minutes. You see, after 7 to 10 minutes, people look pan this. Oh, it look good. Can't wait for the game. Goodness, guys. Look at this. Smell good. Can't done. You can smell all of the spices from the chicken, guys. I put it on broil and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now, see the people? Yeah. Mouth watering goodness down to the every last bite. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much, guys, for making Whims one of your viewing pleasure, and I'll see you next week. Remember to subscribe if you have not already done so.